Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku based on January 29, 2022, 2-star Sudoku, 3rd grade. We have 4, 7th row and 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row and column J we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. 5th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. The 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3. Column G we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in these cells. Then it will come in any one of the cells. Column E we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. In this grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 9, 8 will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8 we will confirm later. Column E and column G we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. 8th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column F and column G we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. We will confirm later. Third grade we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Ninth row also we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have pair numbers 3 and 5. It can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 10th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column C we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then only 1 is here. 8th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells. 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. Column B and column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Ninth row, sorry 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column I we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column J we have 2 and 8, so 2 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in any of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 2 and 8 we will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 1. 4th row we have 1 and 8, so 1 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then we can confirm 1 is here. Column J and 4th row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. 3rd row we have 5 and 7, so 5 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column J we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column D we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. column C we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.